Hello, and we've got some good news. We all know majority of you like a good Tuff Spot and a good Tuff Spot activity. We've got two new designs which have been designed by ourselves from listening to you. Okay, these designs are natural roadway, where there's not a great deal going on. It's very natural, very green. We've just got a road swirling through so the children can get the cars and take the car on a journey. And we also do our new construction, which again, we're trying to keep it open for the children to be able to use their imagination, but we have put some key elements of construction within it. So, very important, we like to use real images. So both the road and the construction, we're using real images, real trees, real JCBs, wheelbarrows, even real mud and road shots. These are normally $19.99. We're doing these like all the other Tuff Spots at the moment, inserts at just £15. So you might want to check out our other designs. We've got, if you have a look, we've got several of these designs now, which go down very well. And just let us know if you'd like any. This one is called construction, that one is called road. Thank you.